Dave. That'll teach you for going ahead of me all the time.
It's recording a YouTube video.
Oh great, now I'm on there. It's moaning. It's my daughter.
That's right. So guys, I'm trains here. I'm here at Bramley Station Level Crossing.
Famous for sending off my kids. Hi!
Shouldn't really have gone ahead though. She shouldn't have gone ahead. This is for oh, I'm just realised I'm on the wrong side of the crossing to get the Basingstoke train. Oh, that's really annoying. I'm going to have to leg it as soon as the train gets here. Let's go get 16:52 back to Basingstoke. It's probably going to stay down as well. Oh, that's really annoying. Well, 17:24 it is. Got to be the 20. Schmello. Yeah, you alright? Okay. I'm still at Bramley. Wait, what, Mum? What are you on about? I'm still at Bramley filming. Hopefully I'll be on the 16:52, but I'm on the wrong side of the level crossing, so, and there's no bridge as well. Okay. I should be on the, pardon me, I should be on the 17:35 from Basingstoke on the bus, but if I miss that, because now I think I might be on the 17:24 to, on the 17:24 to Basingstoke, because I'm on the wrong side of the crossing. Okay. Okay, let's switch there. Wait. Mother on the phone.
You right there, Rihanna?
Here comes the other one. Because that one's late, that one's on time.
Which one? Late?
That one's late by about 9... No, wait. No, that one's on time, that one's late. That one's about 9 minutes late, that one. Okay, just please stay there, please stay there. I'm going to have to run as soon as they go up. YouTube channel. I want to get that train as well, so I'm going to have to run. Come on.